Hello. In this particular question, we are given in the country of Gagan, air travelers can buy their tickets from either from directly the airline or from 3 websites that are licensed to offer ticketing services online. In Gagan, most commercial transactions are done electronically and citizens have an account with the National Bank CC. As a result, the 3 websites have become popular and each transaction through these websites carries a surcharge of 250 GS. GS is Guppies, the currency of Gagan. Given below are 4 post-New Year, that is January 2011 to Feb 28. So for the first 2 month offers from the competing websites. Okay. The first offer is from Cozy Travel. Let's see what are the highlights of the offer. Make a confirmed booking on any service, that is flight, hotel or rain. Okay. So it offers a range from December 5, 2010 to February 8. Okay, so this is only till Feb 8. The key is the date restriction and become eligible for 2 free air tickets. Offer is limited to base fare. Free tickets have to be booked through online requests from January 1 to Feb 28. The request for free tickets should be submitted at least 21 days in advance. Okay, so this is a big catch that they need to be submitted 21 days in advance. Free tickets are non-amendable, so you can't really change them except the passenger name. Okay, so if instead of Ravi Handa, Rohit Iyer wants to travel, Ravi Handa can buy a ticket, change the name to Rohit Iyer and he can kind of gift the ticket to Rohit Iyer and cannot be cancelled. Fair enough. Free ticket cannot be exchanged for cash or kind. Cozy Travel will try its best to secure the free ticket as per the request. However, ticket confirmation is subject to airline schedule and the availability in the airline selected and finalized by Cozy Travel with a specific available airline. So there are a few restrictions, but I think the key part is that you need a 21-day notice and any passenger can travel. So you can amend the passenger name. Cool. Let's look at Cool Yatra's offer. Book any ticket on and after December 21 and get your next ticket free. So whatever is your next ticket is free. Under this offer, only the base fare. Okay, again, so base fare will be refunded. Customer will have to bear the rest of the charges. The value of base fare will be refunded on or after March 1 or 15 days after completion of the travel on the free ticket. Fair enough. Free ticket can be booked only on Gaga Air flight. So there is a certain restriction in terms of the airline offered. Cozy Travel had no such restrictions. The free ticket must be booked within 15 days of booking of the original ticket. And the travel date of free ticket must be 15 days after the booking ticket of the free ticket. Okay, so when you book the free ticket, you need a 15-day notice before that. There must be a 7-day gap between the travel date of the main and the free ticket. The travel date of the free ticket should be on or before Feb 28. So this entire thing expires on Feb 28. The free ticket cannot be transferred, which is very important. So you will have to use it yourself. On cancellation of the original ticket, you no longer remain eligible for the free ticket. Okay, fair enough. So these are some very standard restrictions. Easy Travel. Okay, Easy Travel has a cashback offer. You get 25% cashback between December 5 and Feb 28. The cashback amount will be credited within 21 days. And the maximum cashback offered is 400 per person per ticket. And the total amount that can be claimed by the customer is 2400. So, okay, on a one ticket basis, you can get only 400 max to max. And overall, the max that you can get is 2400. So you would have to book 6 tickets to kind of claim that 2400 rupees or Guppies, sorry. And this is the Ek Ke Saath Ek offer from Easy Travel. Book an Air Spice ticket with Easy Travel using a credit card or a debit card and get another ticket absolutely free. The free ticket would be Air Spice. The offer is valid from Jan 11 to Jan 31. The free ticket must be booked at least 15 days prior to the date of travel and need to be completed within the offer period. The promotion code for the free ticket will be activated 7 days after booking of the main ticket. Okay. So you book a ticket, 7 days later, you get the coupon code, so to say, for the free ticket. Easy Travel will charge a handling fee of 1000 per person for any amendments made on the main ticket. Cancellation of the tickets purchased in this offer are not permitted. The free ticket cannot be exchanged for cash and cannot be rerouted. Okay. So here also you need to use the ticket which is offered yourself. You can't really transfer it, so to say. Now, let's check the questions. Which offer has the maximum chance for becoming the most popular among the air travelers? Choose the best offer explanation combination. Cozy Travel because the customer will get twice the number of flights and offer is applicable on all services provided by Cozy Travel. Not necessarily, because just having a more number of tickets doesn't really matter. Whether you'll be able to use it or not, that matters. Cozy Travel because it allows any customer to transfer the free ticket to anyone if they are not interested in using it. Yes, this looks like a very good reason. I even highlighted it when I was reading the passage that you can actually transfer it, and that would make a lot of difference. एक के साथ एक offer from Easy Travel because it offers absolutely free ticket. Again, a good idea because you are getting the next ticket absolutely free. The base restriction is not there in एक के साथ एक offer. Let me just go back and confirm that. The free ticket will be issued on AirSpice. Okay, so there is one restriction that it has to be on AirSpice. And the offer is valid on blah, blah, blah. Okay, so this is not base fare. You get the entire ticket absolutely free. So not just base fare. So this is also a good idea. Cashback offer from Easy Travel because all other offers are restricted either in terms of airline. Again, this is not going to be a high priority option because the amount that you will get is way too low. You can only get 400 guppies on a per ticket, which is not very attractive. So till now, B and C are the best options. Cozy Travel because it allows customers to use free tickets even after the post the New Year period. Is that so? Does Cozy Travel really allow that? Let's go back and check. Free tickets need to be booked on the online in this period. Free tickets are non-amendable. Free tickets cannot be exchanged. Okay, yeah. So they need to be booked in this particular period, but they can be used elsewhere or at a later date. Again, this is a very helpful reason. So this is also a high priority thing. Among these three, I think the answer would be B because the chances of you traveling may or vary, may not vary. But the fact that you can actually transfer the ticket to someone, that is a big plus. Because the main idea of getting a free gift is essentially the ability to use that free gift, or in this case, the free ticket. And the chances of you being able to utilize it are maximum in case of B. So we would mark option B in question 9. Suppose the offer from Cool Yatra has become the most popular and the other two agencies have sought help from the business consultants to make their offers more attractive. So what would you recommend? Recommend for the एक के साथ एक offer, negotiate with Gaga Air to come up with the offer that provides one free ticket on every main ticket booked in AirSpice. Again, so it essentially says that instead of Gaga Air, you include one more airline. That is not going to fundamentally change because just because one airline is there, you include one more airline, that's not going to make that much of a difference. Recommendation for cashback offer of Easy Travel, ensure that the amount will be credited within 15 days. Again, not a big difference whether you are getting the amount within 21 days or whether you are getting it in 15 days. This does not fundamentally change the offer. See, even in option A, why I ruled that out, it does not fundamentally change the offer. Recommendation from Cozy Travel, reduce the number of free tickets from 2 to 1. Okay, so you are reducing that. Applicable only for air ticket booking, so you remove hotels and stuff, so which kind of would bring down the costs or something, but allow customers to book their free tickets from cozytravel.com in Gaga Air or comparable airlines without any days restrictions. I think this would really put the Cozy Travel offer much ahead. They already have one big advantage that they can transfer, and now if you remove the days restrictions also, the chances of utilizing the free ticket, they go even further up. This, I believe, would be the best possible suggestion or the best possible case here. And C looks like a very, very good option. See, as I said earlier, the idea for a free gift or an offer is that you should be able to use it. Now you are drastically increasing the chances of usage of the offer from Cozy Travel, which must help. So C looks like the answer, but I'll still go through the other options because it is decision making, and you should always go through all the options. Recommendation for the एक के साथ एक offer, negotiate with Gaga Air to come up with an offer that provides one free ticket for every main ticket. and run both offers simultaneously. Again, so this is not much different from option A. It just says that you add one more airline. Not going to make that much of a difference. Recommendation for the offer from Cozy Travel: do not allow customers to transfer tickets to others, but disclose that it will consider both Gaga and AirSplice. Again, this would bring down the usage of the offer. The one big benefit was that the customers were allowed to transfer. So in this case, very clearly, option C is the clear winner. See, in the previous question, there was not so much clarity, because here there were three offers which were good, but still I picked up B because it increased the chances of using the free ticket. And in this case, C very clearly increases the chances of using the free ticket compared to A, B, D, E. And that is why C is the answer here. 11th, I think 11 is dealing with one specific case of Jagan. So what would Jagan do instead of what would be a generic use case? So let's see what Jagan's case is. Jagan is appearing for an exam on January 2 in a city which is not his hometown, and he is yet to book the air ticket to reach his hometown. Okay? Based on his performance, he is confident about getting an interview call from the institute of his choice located in Akashpur. All institute associated with Matt will contact the shortlisted candidate within the next 2 weeks with venue details and the date of the interview. Interview will be scheduled within 15 days from the date of announcement of shortlist and will be held at the respective institutes. Okay, so you have a 15-day period when you will get to know. Jagan's hometown Matt and Akashpur are connected by all airlines with base fare starting from 1000 guppies. While visiting Akashpur for the interview, Jagan will have to put up in a hotel. The minimum charge for booking a hotel through Cozy Travel is 2400 guppies. Equally good hotels which are not listed will charge 1000 guppies. So very clearly you are not going to book a hotel from Cozy Travel. The gap is way too much. All three travel websites assure a minimum of one free air ticket for every booking. So you will get that free ticket. If Jagan has no other reason to fly, which of the following offers should Jagan go for? So very clearly, couple of things, even without looking at the option, anything which says book the hotel via Cozy Travel is out. Anything, as a matter of fact, Cozy Travel is out because you need to give a 21-day notice. Let me go back to the Cozy Travel offer. Here it is. Yeah, so this part I remembered that you need a 21-day notice, which will not be there. So hotels out and Cozy Travel out. Now let's look at the options. So get the flight ticket and hotel booking from Cozy Travel. So first of all, B is out. Flight ticket, Cozy Travel is out. E is also Cozy Travel, so E is out. So now I have to choose between A and D. A says एक के साथ एक offer of easy travel, and D says get the flight tickets from Cool Yatra. So among A and D, which one should you book? Let's look at the restrictions in both of them for a better understanding. So एक के साथ एक of easy travel says the free ticket must be booked at least 15 days prior. Okay. And you will get activated only 7 days after booking of the main ticket. Easy Travel will charge a handling fee for amendments. Good option. Will he be able to use it? That's the idea. See, because it should be booked at least 15 days prior to the date of travel. He might not be able to use it because he will not have a 15-day period. Once he gets a call, he will not have a 15-day period to attend the interview because it will be somewhere between the next 15 days. So, एक के साथ एक offer is not a very good offer for Jagan. Let's look at Cool Yatra. The free ticket must be booked within 15 days of booking of the original ticket. He can do that. And the travel date of the free ticket must be 15 days after booking date of the free ticket. There must be a 7-day gap between the travel date. The travel date, the free ticket cannot be transferred. Okay, but this says nothing about changing the date. So basically what he can do is, he knows that he has to go, he can book the tickets, and then the ticket cannot be transferred to someone else, but he can change the dates here. Whereas in the ek ke saath ek offer will have a have 1,000 rupee per person for any amendments, which means I think among the two, the ek ke saath ek offer is not so attractive. D is the best possible option. To be honest, I don't think A or D, any one of them is a really good option. But if you have to pick one of the two, then I would go in for D. There isn't, let me add, there isn't much clarity about the offers in this case. But since you had to pick an option, that is why I am picking D. B, C and E were ruled out because Cozy Travel required a 21-day notice. A and D also have a lot of restrictions. Cool Yatra had a little less restrictions. And that is why I have decided to pick D. Let me add, this is not a very clear choice. In this particular question, we are given Janki needs to reach Khilli on Jan 28th to visit her uncle and will return after 15 days. Janki found that the minimum fare for both to and fro journeys is 5,000 guppies, which includes 1200 guppies as the base fare. Now, which offer should she opt for? The एक के साथ एक offer for easy travel. Now that is ruled out because that is valid only till Jan 31. Her return, whenever it happens, is after Jan 31. It will be sometime in the middle of February. So she can't really avail that. The cashback offer is ruled out because the max she can get back in a cashback offer is 400 guppies on a per ticket basis. So even if she does it twice, the max that she will be able to get is 800 guppies. So which is essentially less than the base fare of one ticket. So she shouldn't do that. Buying air tickets directly from the airline is a bad idea. She'll not be able to avail any offer. So she should either go in with option C or with option D, because in both cases, she will definitely be able to save the 1200 guppies, which is the base price. But still, so these two are good options for her. Which one should she pick? Should she pick Cool Yatra or Cozy Travel? I would suggest that she should pick the Cozy Travel offer because of the simple reason it offers one extra ticket, which she can use herself, maybe she can transfer to someone else. At least there is an option which is available, which makes C as our favored choice. With this, I would like to wrap up the video. Hope you enjoyed and learned from it. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of future videos.